Welcome back to Home Decor 101, your go-to channel for everything interior design. So let's talk about something that is on trend to be super hot in 2025, but you may already be doing right now and you don't even know it. And that is mixing and matching in your living room. So gone are the days where people are wanting a matchy-matchy style living room with everything matching and symmetric. Now people are really just starting to a little bit of this, a little bit of that, which is making your home look stylish and really up to date and of course eye-catching. So I'm going to tell you why this is a great idea if it's something that you don't do currently. First off, it's so easy to change out something. If the sofa wears out or the accent chair wears out, you don't have to get rid of everything. You can pull in another piece of furniture that's going to let you do that seamlessly and gradually without starting all the way over in your whole room. Also, it gives you a really modern, refined look. Carefully chosen, chic, and cohesive furniture items really create a feeling of a modern curated space. It looks like you really took the time to pick out each specific piece, and it makes your room look really refined and stylish. It's also super sustainable. You don't have to buy a whole new set of furniture, and you can just buy some pieces and then use your old pieces or other pieces you may have. So it's also super sustainable. If you mix and match in your various rooms, it means that you don't have to buy a whole new set of furniture. You can buy a piece that you like, but then you can also maybe integrate other pieces from other rooms in your home or upcycle them. Find something really nice at a thrift store. So many different ideas you can do when you're not thinking about matching a pattern that you already have. Now, it also can be extremely budget friendly. Buying those full sets of furniture can be pretty pricey. So you can buy maybe a sofa that you love that could be a little more expensive, but you can find some really economical accent chairs and just kind of mix and match and really make it your own. The cool thing about it is that it gives it a personalized look. absolutely hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see a little bit more, don't forget to check out one of these videos right here. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.